Hi everyone, I am Abdul from AM Graphix. Today in this video, I will show you how to create reflection in Photoshop. So let's get started. First, make a selection of the can. After make a selection, press Ctrl J to duplicate the layer. And now press Ctrl T to transform. And right click and click on flip to vertical. And place it bottom of the can over here. And now convert it into smart object and add a blur. Go to filter, blur, Gaussian blur, and add 6 pixel blur and hit OK. And add a layer mask and go to gradient tool and hold shift and add gradient from top to bottom and hit OK. And your reflection is ready. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you found this trick helpful.